Nestled in the bustling residential and commercial district, just off Hennur Road in North Bangalore, Adarsh Tranqville is tucked away in a serene corner where one can live in harmony with nature. A well-planned township of villas and lush landscape. Homes at Adarsh Tranqville are all about your well-being. A pleasant drive through the scenic roads takes you home. A home where architecture, gardens and landscape blend seamlessly into one another to create ideal living spaces. Efficient design, elegant aesthetics, and sheer luxury come together to create the perfect residence at Adarsh Tranqville. Generous amounts of space, craft, and detail permeate your home. Your private garden provides the perfect setting to celebrate the little moments of your family life. It truly is a great place to revel in the open air. Jog across the beautifully manicured gardens, or get your game face on at the outdoor court, or simply laze around numerous outdoor spaces. The ultra-modern clubhouse brings together every facility for a contemporary lifestyle for you to enjoy, including a well-equipped gym, a serene yoga space. Get spoiled for choice with myriad indoor game options. Indoor badminton courts and a spacious banquet hall. The club offers you every form of leisure opportunity right at your home. The choices at Tranqville are varied and seemingly endless. Even the allure of the swimming pool is quite hard to ignore. An experience of a lifetime awaits you. The glimpse of a life you truly deserve at Adarsh Tranqville.